Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Everything You Like. Today I am reviewing the Veet Wax Strip, a product that's promised to keep your skin smooth and hair free for up to 28 days. So let's dive into the details. Viewers, the Veet Wax Strips are specially formulated for different skin types. The variant I have been is designed for sensitive skin and include aloe vera vitamin E, known for its moisturizing properties and a refreshing green tea fragrance. These strips are also available for normal skin with shea butter. Viewers, this product claim that wax strip use easy gel technology. The gel flows around and grip even the shortest hair while leaving your skin exfoliated and moisturized. The brand claim you will enjoy smooth skin for up to 28 days with this strip, which is pretty impressive if it delivers. If we talk about how to use this strip, it's very simple and easy. You just need to rub the wax strip between your hands to warm it up, peel it apart, apply it to the skin, and then quickly pull it off against the direction of hair growth. Remember to keep your skin dry and free of any oils or lotion before use. There are also some precautions of using it which I will share with you. Veet advises a free precaution to ensure safety. Don't use this strip on sensitive areas like face or on skin that is irritated, sunburned, or has varicose veins. Always do a patch test 24 hours before full use to check for any adverse reaction. And if you are new to waxing, start with your legs before moving on to more sensitive areas. Viewers, I tried this strip on my legs and here's what I found. The application was easy and the strip gripped my hair well. The removal was relatively painless and my skin felt smooth and exfoliated afterward. I did notice some minor redness, but it faded quickly. Viewers, just quick reminder, always do a patch test. The best part of this product are these Veet Wax Strips are affordable price at just rupees 400. You can easily buy them online, have them delivered right to your doorstep. Plus, using this strip at home means you won't need to spend extra money or time at the salon for waxing. In conclusion, Veet Wax Strips seem to be a great option for at-home hair removal. They are convenient, easy to use, and effective for both beginner and regular user. Plus, the long-lasting smoothness is definitely a bonus. If you are looking for hassle-free way to remove unwanted hair, this might just be worth a try. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty reviews and tips. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this. If you have any other removal product you like me to review, see you in the next video. You can get other related video from my channel, so visit my channel. Thank you so much.